Hello students, today we will discuss layout of article writing. Students, do you know most students fail to get good marks in their writing sections simply because their vocabulary and the range of grammatical structures they use is wrong and limited. So always keep these points in your mind. First main point is your vocabulary. Instead of using difficult high sounding words, use simple words. Use a variety specific to your topics. Then second main point is unity. Unity means each paragraph should deals with only one major idea. Each paragraphs only one major idea which is conveying single sentences. All other sentences contain supporting ideas. And further, coherence. Coherence means proper arrangement of interrelation of ideas and sentences. If in paragraph one idea leads to another in such a manner that there is a continuous logical progression of thoughts, it will have the quality of coherence or quality of clarity. Then using given information, a lot of relevant information is available in the question statement, like rhetorical questions. Information need to be interpreted, edited and rewritten as the needs of articles. Then planning. Once you have collected all the information's main points, ideas, now you have need to decide number of paragraphs. Your articles will have 2 or 3 paragraph enough for article writings. Then next your decision is what idea or points are to be included in this paragraph. Now format of article writing. First of all, you have write title or heading of articles. The title can be a single word, say phrase or even a sentence. It should be descriptive, catchy, thought provoking, inviting or surprising. Then write short introduction. Short introductions describing your topics. Then write the main body of article. It will include all the points of your articles, either positive or negative. It will include 2 or 3 short paragraph. 2 or 3 paragraph enough for article writing. Then write short conclusion, giving your perspective on given topics.